सो हे फ्रेंड्स, इस मीडिया के प्रति वेलकम बैक इन अनदर वीडियो। सो इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे जी कैम 8.0 और 8.1 का इंस्टॉलेशन प्रोसेस। सो एंड वेयर यू कैन फाइंड द लिंक्स टू डाउनलोड द एप्लीकेशन। सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. So now let's come to the installation process. So the installation of the Gcam 8.1 and 8.0 is pretty simple. You just have to download the APK and install, and no XML files, nothing. So it's pretty simple, and I am using currently the Realme 7 and the Redmi Note 7 Pro. So I have fully working Gcam 8.0 for these two devices. So I'll link them in the description below, so you all can check that applications out. And for a few more devices, I'll give the XDL link in the description below, so you all can try multiple ports and find which one is best for you. And as talking for the MediaTek devices, as I said earlier, that I have the Gcam 8.1 for the Realme 7, which is working flawlessly. Just front video is not working, so that's not a big deal, but the camera is just awesome. You can also use that application for Realme Redmi Note 8 Pro and other MediaTek devices which have G90T or G95, G80 and on. You can try that application out. In this application, the auxiliary cameras are working fine, the macro and the wide angle lens. You can also shoot 1080p videos through the wide angle lens, and the quality is just mind blowing. I'll show you some photos and videos which I shot using the Realme 7 using the Gcam 8.1, and you all will also get the video features like cinematic pan and active 2x zoom, which are available on Pixel 5. So that's pretty great, and you can also shoot portrait photos in wide angle mode, which is pretty awesome, and the shots are really amazing. So you all can try that out. And what if your device doesn't support the Gcam 8.1? So don't worry, the developers are working on that, and your device will get a mod soon. So till then, you can use Gcam 7.3 and 7.4. I will link some applications in the description below, so you all can check that out. And for that, you all will have to work between some settings and apply XML files. So I will link all the applications and XML in the link description below, so you all can check it out. So talking about the Exynos devices, like Samsung has Exynos processor, so I'm not sure that these will work smooth on the Exynos processor. So you all can try some ports. You can also try this MediaTek port. I guess it will work, but not sure. So you can try and let me know in the comments below that it works or not. And now let's come to the pro tip. If your device, if you can't find any port for your device, just do a thing. So if you can't find a Gcam for your device, you can go to this website. I will link in the description below. So as you can see, it's the official forum for the Gcam 8.0, and you can see the devices below, and you can see Xiaomi, Samsung. And for example, if you can't find a port for your Poco M2 Pro, you can just download the port of the Redmi Note 9 Pro, which have the same set of cameras and the processor. So that is how you can download a working port for your Gcam 8 for your device. And as you can see, the download 8.0, so you can download that app and use it. So I also have done the same thing with the Realme 7. I have downloaded the Realme 8 Pro's app, and it is working flawlessly. So that's a pro tip for now. So as well, you can see I have installed this APK, and need to open it and go in the settings and advanced. Now enable this HDR plus control, and you're now good to go. That's it. You don't have to enable any other settings. And as you can see, you have the auxiliary cameras 0.6. The 0.8 is for the macro lens, as you can see, and the 0.6 is for the wide angle lens. as you can see, and the 1x, it's the normal camera. So that's pretty great. The portrait mode is working fine. You can, as I mentioned before, you can shoot portrait in the wide angle lens too. The night slide is working, and the astrophotography mode, which is really great. So as and in the video settings, you can also use these features from the Pixel 5, which are really working. So as I mentioned before, the front camera is not working. As you can say, it gets crashed. So that is only the bug I faced during this. So pretty much, I hope you all like the video. Do follow for more interesting videos on my channel. And till then, bye bye.